Hi everybody, my name is Michael Hoskins. I'm the CTO of Pervasive Software, and I'm going to spend a couple minutes with you today talking about something that we call UniversalCONNECT. So in our integration division, we've been building data integration products for 25 years. We have a new capability, actually several new capabilities around connectivity that I think are very, very important. So we've decided to highlight this competitive advantage, frankly, and call it UniversalCONNECT. So any data integration vendor worries about connectivity. Obviously, if all the endpoints in the world are violently incompatible with each other, and they are, then one of the primary roles of an integration tool or platform is to be able to connect to all these endpoints and allow you to exchange data back and forth between them. So connectivity is part and parcel of any stack. There was a period, I think, for the last 10 years, I think, where it became a little less important. We started to converge around XML and some CSV formats and ODBC, client-server database type endpoints. But that has changed dramatically in the last couple of years. We are living through a complete explosion of new endpoints, and that's because of the web. And web services and all the APIs that are available. And so not only have people started demanding the ability to integrate all of their application endpoints, and there are thousands of those and they all have different APIs, but we now have everything as an API. So every new application rolled out in the sky has its own API, but soon your refrigerator will be an API. Everything will be an API, and being able to connect to those endpoints really quickly is going to be really important, and we think we have a permanent competitive advantage in that. And so we've labeled that UniversalCONNECT. What is inside UniversalCONNECT that's so important? Well, 25 years of calendar history and hundreds of man-years of engineering history means we have shipping in the box standard, and we ship that standard in our product. We don't nickel and dime you for extra charges as you add individual connectors. So there are literally hundreds and hundreds of connectivity components that ship standard in the Pervasive Data Integrator, allowing you to connect sort of out of the box with thousands and thousands, even tens of thousands of different endpoints. And this is direct connectivity to databases, to application APIs, standards-based connectivity like EDI and HIPAA, and the list is almost endless. One of the other things that's very important about UniversalCONNECT is that there will always be new endpoints that we don't touch, that nobody touches. How can we quickly add that to our portfolio? And so the second half of UniversalCONNECT is a series of open SDKs to allow us and you to expand UniversalCONNECT for any endpoint really quickly. This is very important in the integration space. I can't think of any other vendor who has done this as ambitiously as we have. We basically blew up our proprietary connectivity infrastructure 3 or 4 years ago and went with an all-open standards-based connectivity infrastructure. So we call one of those SDKs, for example, DMS, Data Mediation Services. It ships free inside every copy of Pervasive Data Integrator. And it allows you to build your own connectivity and extend UniversalCONNECT. And so now connectivity for us is all service-oriented. So we're believers in some of the productivity advantages around SOA, service-oriented architecture. So every bit of connectivity is our core engine as a client consuming data as a service coming from the various endpoints that are front-ended by our DMS services. And this is really important because it's not just my developers who can add to connectivity now, it's my professional services team, it's your professional services team, it's the entire ecosystem of Pervasive partners that can now stretch the boundaries of connectivity. So the fact that we already are the leader in delivering connectivity out of the box and then offer these open SDKs to quickly, and I mean really quickly, build out connectivity. We have examples where in the space of hours we wire in new connectivity to a new endpoint. It's truly an amazing power if you're wrestling integration problems, and it's right there in Pervasive Data Integrator.